Hello friends, today we will learn a new topic. The topic name is what is happening when any charged particle is projected perpendicular to the electric field. To understand this topic better, we will take a picture of this concept. E positive, which represents the positive charge, and here it, this line represents electric field, which is facing in negative x-axis. When this positive charge particle moves with v velocity in x-axis, then what is happening to this positive charge particle, and d is the distance in which electric field is available. So when this positive charge particle enter the electric field, then what is happening? First of all, it moves with v velocity in x-axis, which is constant throughout the electric field, as there is a force applied in negative y-axis. Force, the magnitude of force equal to QE in negative y-axis. As we know that this is 2D motion, x-axis and y-axis. This is 2D motion if projected move in x-axis as well as in y-axis. And also we know that the motion of x-axis does not disturb the motion of y-axis. So this positive charge particle bend with angle theta. We have to find theta in this video. So as here we see this is 2D motion. So in x-axis and y-axis we have to understand this 2D motion. So in x-axis the initial velocity equal to v and acceleration equal to 0, as there is no force applied in x-axis. Formula, which is s is equal to ut plus half at square. S is the displacement, which is d. ut, u is the initial velocity of motion, which is v, and t is the time taken, which is t, plus half. A is the acceleration, which is 0, into t square. D equal to dt. Here it is the first equation. In y-axis, what is happening? Here we understand. In y-axis, force is applied on positive charge particle, which is represented by E positive. Force, which is electrostatic force, equal to QE. And by the help of force, we can find acceleration, which is force by mass, QE by mass, which is represented by m. Now we calculate velocity in y-axis. For this we apply formula v equal to, for this we apply formula v equal to u plus 80. Velocity in y equal to u, which is 0, as initial velocity in y is 0, plus a, which is qe by m time t. So here we get v equal to qe by m into t. Second equation. Now we have to find theta. Tan theta equal to perpendicular by base. By the help of this picture, we can get a perpendicular and base. In this triangle, perpendicular is v y, velocity in y, and base is velocity in x. So we can also write this velocity in y equal to qe by m into t divided by velocity in x, which is constant v. So qe t by vmv equal to, we can replace this t by the first equation, qe by mv into t. So qe divided by mv into t, we can replace this t by first equation, t equal to d by v, t equal to d by v. So tan theta equal to qed divided by mv square. We can get theta by this, applying this formula. In this video, our main goal is to find theta when charge particle is projected perpendicular to electric field, and we get it. Thank you.